So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I know the other video was a surprise wrap for the Hellcat hood. Well, I did more. I had to do more. I couldn't just have a fully forged carbon wrap Hellcat hood and no forged carbon anywhere else. You gonna turn around? You ready? Ready? I don't know if y'all ready. Let's wait. Look at me. Are y'all ready? And bam. Yes. The stripes I just got, what, 4 or 5 months ago, it's gone. This is a new look for the, it's really not the white dragon no more, it's kind of like the forest dragon, but I'm going to go over everything. Shout out to my boy Tiptoe Trey. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Y'all give him a sub because he is the wrap guide on this. You can't get this wrap in regular shops because they don't have it in stock. He had this bitch. He hooked it up. Good timing, everything, bro. But let's go ahead and go over it. Like I said, forged carbon hood, forged carbon going over here. Then I wanted to add this full piece, complementing the wide body's front bumper. Still got the goat. I told him he left it, engraved it, so it looks like the forged carbon is saying goat, which is sick. So I wanted that piece right there. Put satin black on the inside just to complement, or you know, get the colors balanced on forged carbon white, a little satin black in the inside. Up here also, of course, y'all know the forged carbon lid. Over here, y'all probably already see it. Forged carbon on the mirrors. Full wrap, one piece mirror that he hooked up. Over here, forged carbon door handles. All on point. Look how good that look, bro. Forged carbon gas cap. And the best part. Y'all think I went crazy, y'all. Fully forged carbon. Whole trunk forged carbon, bro. It is complimenting the car crazy. Far away you may think it's black. You come up close, you just see the detail, you see the gloss on it, bro, and it's just hidden. It's hidden with the white, with the wheels. Got on board. Y'all, come on now, bro. Little other details. I'm doing little touch-ups on the paint. It didn't match all the way, but y'all, I'll tell y'all about that later. But I even changed the one. I even changed the one of the tips. See? I even changed the one of the tips. Red and white. Be different, man. Follow me on Instagram. Y'all would have seen it already, but this is the dragon. Well, not really the dragon anymore. I just say the Forge 392. May change the caliper color also. I don't know yet, but I'm close to just making them bitches white. So stay tuned for that. But stripes are completely removed. And this baby is just looking straight aggressive and fat. Straight aggressive and fat. Need another picture, but yep. There's a paint chip right there. That's fine, I'll fix that too. But yeah, man, the baby sitting pretty, bro. Wheels still love. Really never. I might never get rid of these, bro. Only reason I might get rid of them is for some crazy wide body wheels or something like that, but I stick with the spacers and the wheels. But so far, just the Ford Dragon, forged carbon. And if you haven't subbed to the channel, you know why I went forged carbon. I have a fully forged carbon. It's a flat bottom steering wheel with red leather and a little red stripe at the top. I put that myself, but the dash, stuff like this, little update. But this is why. Because when y'all look on the outside, you got forged carbon come inside, bam, forged carbon. So, zoom in a little bit. Look at the detail on this, bro. Then you come into the sun with it though, bam. Well, I just want to put out a little update video for y'all, man, because it's like, I'm always changing this car, bro. But this, I think I'm gonna like this. The other part I may do, maybe the roof, maybe not, but before anything else, I might just end up wrapping the whole car. Y'all probably didn't know what color I may wrap the whole car, but if I do wrap the whole car, the forged carbon is staying, and it's gonna complement the wrap. So I'll probably get all the white wrap. It'll be forged carbon here and there, and bam, car will be pretty much good aesthetically, cosmetically, whatever you want to call it, but it'll be on point. But my boy fully took the tail lights off. I took the wicker bill off. I took that little glass part off because I think it looked better without it. So he pretty much took this whole light out, full wrap, going in it all the way toward the bottom, bro. So he really did hook it up. So shout out to my boy Tiptoe Train. Y'all subscribe. But that's pretty much it, y'all. This is just a little update. I wanted to let y'all know. Just look back at it. Look back at it. Come on now. But I just wanted to update y'all on the car. Name change, color change, everything. But y'all just stay tuned. I hope y'all like this video. Just a quick little video telling y'all what, the update of the car, what other stuff I got planned, and I'm gonna start trying to do like more little daily uploads, or either like what is it, driving vlogs or something like that, just to put some videos out, so I'm not just uploading new mod videos and stuff like that. But stay tuned. I appreciate y'all for always watching, sticking with your boy, and I will catch y'all later. It's hot. Peace.